No! No! Did you know I've never used a fire extinguisher before today?
Really? Yeah. That is shocking.
This is my prototype flamethrower. It's not exactly pocket size. Goose drew up the plans, I drew up the cash, and did the build. It's a pretty simple design as far as prototypes go. We have a leaf blower, that's our power source. It's the plug-in kind, which is kind of lame, so that's gonna have to go away. Go to our 3-inch down to a 1-inch tube. We'll go right by our delivery system. This top portion is serving as a reservoir, and we can dump that just by twisting this valve. Drop down, go down the barrel. So we have propane tank as our ignition system. All right, let's see if that'll hold all the air.
Okay, so we've got a closed off system now. So this is 190 proof ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol or ethanol has a flash point of 16.6 degrees Celsius, about 61 degrees, 62 degrees, which is kind of the temperature that is now. So anyway, I don't know, this may not be super flammable, but I've got some other fuels, so we're gonna start here. Fuel delivery system test. Did you see that? Could you see it?
No.
It works. Perfect. That's 12 feet already. That feels really far.
Jeez. That would scare the crap out of me.
I can feel it like at 8, 9 feet kinda. Which, I mean, it's twice as far as Elon Musk got, so I'm good with that. Okay, you ready?
Ready?
Demonetized in 3, 2, 1.
That was amazing! Dude, hang on. Yard's on fire. Oh.
Dude! That was good. That freaking works, first try.
That worked so good. We're at 10 feet. That's not bad.
Yeah,
it wasn't catching fire till like way out here.
Right.
Okay, so that was the ethyl alcohol. I want to switch and try this lighter fluid. There's nothing on the container that says what the mixture is of this, but I looked online. It has a flash point of negative 40 degrees Celsius, which makes it a lot more flammable.
What's the prediction?
I mean, I don't know that it's going to go any further. I mean, it's the same propulsion system, but what I'd like to see is that the flame starts like right out of right from here. You good? There we go.
That was way bigger.
So good.
I feel like it went just as far.
Okay.
It was so much wider.
It was
so much
too.
bigger.
Really?
Oh yeah.
So from here, my view's not that great.
And I felt the heat from it.
Are you serious?
Yes.
That was so good. And there's no reason to stop. So let's burn some stuff. Yes? Yes?
Yes.
I think we should. This is my Hero 3 Plus Black. I'm gonna see if it can record its own death. All right. Can a GoPro video its own death? 3, 2, 1. Dude, look at this. Oh, it's hot. It's really, really hot.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, see if I can stuff it. All right, it works. All right, you think the lens is salvageable? Oh, it's not bad. LCD screen's almost dead. I am impressed.
You can still get the card out of there.
We're gonna try to melt this foam head. I got this for like a video I did, I don't even know, like 2 years ago that I never uploaded. But yeah, anyway. Here's to failed YouTube careers. This is gonna make a huge mess. 3, 2, was really disappointing. That was not as cool as I was hoping it would be. All right, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one.